Guys, I'm very sick and tired of kids messing with fire alarms in schools. This garbage must stop. Kids need to stop messing with fire alarms in schools. Look at what happened today. Another alarm in the gymnasium in my school was tampered with. That's right, someone put a piece of wood on it. Man, stop messing with these things. These are not toys. God, how many times do I have to tell you that fire alarms are not toys? People don't listen and they just mess with it. In my elementary school, there were kids that pulled the alarm for fun. And tampered with the pull station a lot in that school, with several of them throughout the building. And in that school building, they were the same as it is in the current school building I am in. And now there's a stopper cover over all of those devices in every school building in this county right now. After all these false alarms caused by students because they were pulling them because they don't want to go to class. And they thought it was a good idea too, but let me tell you, it is not a good idea. They learned their lesson the hard way. Doing that puts people's lives in danger. The fire department cannot be at a real emergency because you pulled that fire alarm for fun. This is not a joke. It's treated very seriously. All principals sound serious when it comes to false alarms. All principals say pulling the fire alarm in this school when there is no fire will get you expelled from school and will possibly get you arrested. And I do agree with that. Pulling fire alarms without a fire will get you expelled from school and will get you arrested. So do not do that. And tampering with fire alarms is a big problem. A lot of you in my class are just as smart as me. And they'll also tell you that you cannot be pulling fire alarms in public without a fire or without permission. Or it's not their alarm. And not only that this happened in my elementary school, but in different elementary schools around here. All of you guys probably have seen this. Someone messed with the alarms in your school as well, and they got into the same situation that the kids in my school did. Yep, because elementary school students don't know better. If you are in high school and you pull that alarm, you are definitely going to get arrested because it is not a toy. The reason why those kids didn't get arrested back then is because they were younger. If you are in high school and you do that, you are going to get arrested for sure. Bye.